What up, everybody? It's me, Big Mass S230 here. I am happy to bring you guys the Stealth 3-gallon wet and dry vacuum. Portable for job site use. Ideal for car cleaning. Great for kitchen. Comes with a 10-foot hose, foam filter for wet use, a dry filter, carpet and hard floor tool, upholstery, 3 extension ones, a dust bag, and a crevice tool. And it's got a 3-year limited warranty. And give me a sec while I get my... Okay, cut the tape. It says do not return to store. Call this number. Right? Pull down the tab. So, here are your 3 extension tubes. That's 2. Here's your 3rd one. They're fairly decent quality. They're not too bad. Here's your idiot book if you need to read that. I advise people to read them. Here's your carpet and hard floor tool. It's got a brush in the back for different purposes. Yeah, it looks like the main unit. Move the box over to the side. Get out of here, box. Here's the shop vac. Nice big rocker on off. Undo these catches, which will probably give us the inside. Here's the filter. The filter does come off if needed. Here's your crevice tool. Your upholstery tool, which is not bad, decent quality. Your 4 casters. The hose. Decent quality hose. And your 1 dust bag. Let's see how big this dust bag is. Sorry about today's camera, and I don't have a cameraman with me. It's a decent sized dust bag. So, for assembling your casters, you're going to want to take them out their bag. Give me a sec so I'll do that. Alright, I got the 4 casters out of the bag. Now you can simply grab them in that hole right there. Right there. You're going to take it, hold it, push it into place until they all click in. Nice and tightly. Some go in easier than others. And they just go in. Make sure they're all pushed in nicely. That is quite a bit of force. There you go, you got your casters. Nice smooth running. Now, take your motor unit. Stick your motor unit back on. Oh, for inserting the bag, take your dust bag, place it inside. Take that end tube right there, and you're gonna wanna place it over that thing. Give me a sec while I do that. Okay, got the dust bag in place. Now take your motor unit, twist it so that this is out of the way. Let me get it put on. Okay, got it put on. Now you just want to do up the hinges on each side. Secures it in. Now, looks like these just store on the side like that. It's pretty straightforward. I'm doing this without staring at a book, so anybody should be able to put this together. Just take your accessories and stick them on. There we go. And take your hose. Put your hose into its entrance right here. Grab it with your hand. And it is stiff because it's new. Okay, it's in place. It does swivel all the way around. Now, wait a sec while I fix the camera. My stand's not wanting to stay still. And you do have a cord rack for the cord. Just come down here. And let's get it plugged in. Okay? I've already heard it. I had it in the on position. Let's turn it on. Feel suction. It's not bad. It's better than suction power. Not bad. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more.